Hey, what's going on YouTube? And welcome back to Tech Conversations. Firstly, if you haven't already, make sure to check out Lux Algo. Lux Algo is the #1 AI agent to help you find strategies, powered by some of the best trading indicators and used by over 15,000 traders, including myself. And I've covered many of their premium indicators in the past on my channel, so go ahead and check those out. But right now, if you sign up to Lux Algo by using my link in the description below, you can get up to 20% off their premium indicators. Keep in mind, you can also get 30 days risk-free, so why not try them out? So go ahead and check out Lux Algo. I'll put a link to them in the description below. Also, make sure to check out the Discord, completely free to join. I'll put a link to it in the description below as well. We're at 8,500 members in here, so thank you to everyone that's joined our Discord. Now let's get right into today's video. So, almost 3 years ago, I started a series on this channel where I told all of you that I would be buying SPY, the S&P 500, every single day, and that I would update you guys monthly on the performance of doing that. And I did this for two reasons. Number one, to show you that you don't need to make investing complicated. Sometimes it's literally as easy as buying one ETF, dollar cost averaging, and not spending hours upon hours analyzing markets. And number two, that even investing small amounts of money over time can start to grow your portfolio and give you some pretty good sized returns. In other words, you don't need to be rich to make money over time in the stock market. So before you watch the rest of this video, leave a comment down below on how much you think we are up by buying SPY every single day for almost 3 years now. So let me first show you how you can also start doing this, how you can set up a recurring investment to, again, dollar cost average. And remember, dollar cost averaging, or DCA, is an investment strategy where you invest a fixed amount of money into a particular asset at regular intervals, regardless of market conditions. So we aren't trying to predict tops or bottoms here or analyze the market for hours on end. We just set this up once and let it do its thing. So let's say, as an example, you wanted to do this with VTI, or the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF. So this is just an example. You go to whatever ETF or even stock, if you want to do this with stocks, that you want to set this up on. So let's say, just as an example, you want to set it up on VTI here. So notice here on the right that there is this field that says order type. So by default, this is going to say buy order. But you can click on this and notice that there's different options here. Now notice that there's one option that's cut off. So that might make it tricky to see this. But here we can scroll down and now take a look. The last option here says recurring investment. So if you go ahead and click on this, now you see some of these fields have changed. So let's go through each one of these fields. So the second field says amount. So this is how much you want Robinhood to purchase for the ETF or stock that you're setting this up on every time it makes this recurring investment. So let's say every time you make this recurring investment, or your dollar cost averaging, how much do you want to purchase each time? So let's just say, for this example, we want to purchase $20 every single time Robinhood makes this purchase for us. And yes, Robinhood does this for you. You don't have to come in here and do it yourself or do anything after the first time you set this up. So let's just say $20. Then we have this starts field. So what date do you want this to start? And you can go pretty far into the future here if you don't want to start it yet. But let's just say we want to start it this upcoming Friday, December 12th. So I would go ahead and click on December 12th. Next one is going to say frequency. So how often do you want this recurring investment to be made? And so here are the options. So you can do every paycheck. So every paycheck that you get, you can get one of these recurring investments. Or you could do it every single day, which is what I did for SPY, Monday through Friday. You could do it once a week. So that would be every week, and it's going to go ahead and do that on the day you want it to start on. So since we selected Friday, this would be every single week on Friday. You could do every 2 weeks on whatever day you selected, or you can do it every month. So since we selected December 12th, we could say every 12th of the month, go ahead and do this. So let's just leave it as every week here. And then we have payment. So where do you want the money to come out of? So there's buying power. You could also do it directly from your bank account, but I'm just going to leave it as buying power. And then you can set up a backup account in case this account here runs out of money, but we'll just leave that as none here. And then you would review this order and you would go ahead and place it. So as you can see here, you're going to buy $20 of VTI every week on Friday. Your first order will be placed on December 12th at 11 a.m. Eastern Time, and a batch order with other Robinhood recurring investment orders for VTI. So again, Robinhood does all of this for you. So once you set that up, you can set as many of these up as you want. And then we can go into our account, and there's a recurring investment section where you can manage all your recurring investments. So let's go over there now. So here we are under our account. Look at this. There's this recurring section here. Here you can see all your recurring investments, and you can, do this by different accounts you have. You can filter by different assets here. So in our stocks account, which is where I did this SPY daily buy, this is where we have this one here. Notice I also have 2 other ones here as well. So I've been doing this with IWM and VT. So I'll make separate videos to show you how those have performed in the future. But as you can see, here is our SPY one. So we are buying $4 of SPY every single day. I think that makes it very realistic for a lot of people, right? Investing just $4 every single day here. And I want to be very transparent with you guys here. For some reason, this recurring investment was paused for 6 months in 2024, from June 11th, 2024 to December 11th of 2024, which, by the way, SPY went up about 10% in that time frame. So I think the results would have been even more impressive had it not been paused, and I don't know why it was paused, but it was paused for about 6 months. So I just want to let you guys know that. Now let's go ahead and click on this. So you can click on any of these here. Let's click on the SPY one, and here it showed you all the information that you need here. So firstly, let's just start from the top here. Here it shows me my average price paid so far in this recurring investment, $501. SPY's current price is $686 almost. So as you can see, right, SPY is a lot higher than what we've paid on average here. Now we can see here the first order we ever placed. It was December 23rd, 2022. So again, almost 3 years ago. That first purchase, SPY was at $382.26. Now here we can see how much we're investing per month. So we invested $76 last month and $2,456 since our first order on December 23rd, or 4.9 shares of SPY. We'll invest $2,500 by December 23rd, 2025 if we keep this recurring investment. And so let's take a look here. So the last order was December 5th. We again bought $4. Next order is tomorrow, $4. You can see an upcoming order, December 9th, $4. So again, this is every single day. But again, you can do this once a week, once every 2 weeks, once a month, once every paycheck, whatever you want. But as we can see here, right, we have paid an average price of $501. SPY is currently at $686. That means that we've made about a 37% return on our investment here. So we are up 37% by simply letting Robinhood buy SPY for us every single day. Now, since we have invested $2,456 and we're up 37% on our investment, that means we are up about $908. So we've made almost $1,000, and we ourselves have only put down $2,456. Again, we haven't done anything. Robinhood does this every single day for us. So what do you guys think about this? Is this a good return for doing absolutely nothing except that initial setup, which took probably less than a minute? No lengthy analysis, no having to panic sell, no worrying at night, or having to spend hours looking at screens. We just set this up once. We're up 37%. So let me know in the comments section below, what do you guys think? Do you guys use this recurring investment on Robinhood? What ETFs do you use? If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Check out the Discord, a link to that in the description below. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think. I will see you guys next time.